part of your product, we have provided you with all the tools you will need for assembling your strimmer. To start with, you will need to unscrew the handle cap so you can then place the handle in its cradle and replace the cap. Be sure you tighten the bolts right down. You will now need to attach the trigger. To do this, remove the bolt at the base, slide the trigger unit onto the handlebar and reapply the bolt. Next, you need to attach the guard. When attaching the guard for the blade, the guard must be pushed towards the back and attached. For the spool, the guard must be attached towards the front. When attaching the guard, place each of the 4 bolts through from the base of the shaft and attach the nuts, ensuring each is securely fastened. Do this with the Allen key and spanner provided in your toolkit. When attaching the blade itself, you will need to spin the mounting point around so that the hole between the gear and the cover align. Insert an Allen key to prevent movement and loosen the fixing nut with the tool provided. Remove the nut and washers so you are left with the gear unit. Place the blade on top of the gear and reapply the washers, cover and nut. Ensuring all are tightened down with the tool in an anti-clockwise direction. Before use, remove the blade cover. To attach the spool, you will need to repeat the process of removing the nut and washers, ensuring the Allen key is applied to prevent movement. Then simply screw on the spool in an anti-clockwise motion. Be sure to tighten securely. With the spool attachment, you will also need to attach the line trimming blade. Simply screw into position on the rubber mount point, screwing down securely. Finally, remove the plastic cover before use. The final stage of assembly is attaching the tool to the drive shaft. Remove the rubber protectors from the ends of each shaft, loosen the blue knob, Press down on the metal catch at the top and insert the attachment. Once the shaft is securely in position, tighten the blue knob by rotating clockwise. Secure the throttle cable to the drive shaft with the provided cable ties. Ensure both ties are securely fastened.